Yo, what's up guys, it's Shrimpy, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you. In this video, I'm just using a simple grey lid pencil to do the sketching. To start off the tutorial, here we have my Rhodia little sketchbook, and yeah, start off by drawing a long bean size shape. And then draw one more of them next to it, like that. Then finish off the hot dog by drawing this little shape like this. Also, don't forget to put on the sauce. For the fine lining, I'm using the Touch fine liner that you can find in Officeworks. Basically, just do some nice smooth strokes around the hot dog. Don't forget to take your time, as fine lining should take a little while. For the colouring, I'm using Copic markers and Copic chow markers. These are the markers that I'm using. So yeah, start off by using your darker red and add the shadows of the hot dog. Just like that. Now grab your lighter red and go over the darker red to create a nice blending contrast like this. You should go over the darker red a few times just to get that nice blend. But if you're just using normal textures, then you don't really need to do that, that's alright. Once you've got a nice smooth blend on the hot dog, get your yellow texture, your darker one, and then add the shadows on the sauce. Then you get your slightly lighter yellow and finish off the sauce. Now with that same yellow, do some nice little strokes on the bread of the hot dog. Make sure it looks nice and golden, cause like, yeah. That looks pretty good, but we're just gonna add a little bit more shading stuff. If you like it, you can just leave it like that, cause like, why not? I'm getting a skin tone here, just to make it look more bready, if that's a word. Just adding some more strokes, just to give it that nice bready texture. To finish it off, I'm just adding some more yellow, and then I'm going to go on and add some darker browny tones, just to give it that extra shadiness. And here I'm grabbing nearly the final brown, and we're nearly there. Let's get the final darkest brown you have. Not the darkest one, but just add that final shading, and that's pretty much it.